Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, of course, this is a Stokes Granulator. A lot of you are familiar with them. They've been around for at least 50 years. Uses this screen, which is tensioned by the two bars, which go through the holes, and then are locked in place by the small little dogs you see in front, and they ride over the gears you see on the end to hold the position and tension on the screen. The oscillating motion is preferred by a lot of people for doing granulations. The discharge hopper. Now you'll see some evidence of rusting. Everything is all stainless, but because it was previously grinding salt, one of the toughest things to grind, they even have a salt grinder tag still on it. One of the toughest things to grind. It will do that to metal. So we're going to clean it up a little bit, and you'll see it on our website under our Mills Miscellaneous or our Pharmaceutical section. We'll get it there. Anyway, we thank you for joining us for this video today, and we look forward to hearing from you. Hope to visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you.